bold and confidence. Hello friends, this is Shuntel, and today's share, it's just some thoughts that in this life journey, sometimes we needed to be more bold and have confidence. It is a must if we really want to survive our life. Life is not easy. We all have to face different kinds of challenges, different kinds of trials. But it becomes easier for us to handle all these things if we can stop for a moment and be bold with your prayers. Be bold. What are your plans? Be bold in everything you want in your life and stand up with confidence. When you can do that, believe me, it becomes easier for you to conquer it all. What is going on with your life? Yes, we must be bold and have confidence in order for us to survive life. In my spiritual practice, I have to understand that being bold and have confidence is about trusting it all to God. Yes, we must understand that God given desire in us. We have the desire to fulfill something. We have the desire to get into our goals and wishes and dreams in life. But we must understand, to do that many times, we need to be more confident. It becomes easier for you to have that confidence you needed to move forward when you trust in yourself, when you believe in yourself, when you have faith in you, knowing who you are, knowing that you are capable of doing great things, knowing that whatsoever going on with your life, you can stand firm. You have the courage to pursue whatsoever going on with your life. You must have that desire, because desire is a God-given gift. When you have the desire to do something, then you have the desire to pursue something, to do the things you want in your life. That desire within you really helps you to where you're supposed to be. But with the guidance of God, you can let that desire more stronger. When it becomes more stronger, it gives you more confidence to pursue more what you are going to do with your life. Yes, that God-given desire, He'll make you stronger, and all the negative voices, all the doubts that try to talk us out of it will be gone when we are bold enough to trust God. Be bold to do huge prayer. Be bold to have huge dreams and desire in your heart. Be bold. Just go for it. Just do it. You can make it. Do not be afraid. There's nothing wrong to make mistakes. Making mistakes is about learning where you make mistakes. From there, you can be confident that you can really make it. Learning from our mistake, accepting our mistake, embracing our mistakes, and be bold, believe me, really helps you to where you're supposed to be, really helps you to do the things needed to be done in order for you to be successful, in order for you to fulfill the dreams and desires within your heart. But remember to think about this as well. When it is a God-given desire, Remember, it is there in your heart. It won't be moved by the opposition, by how impossible it looks, but what people are telling us. Then, when you can acknowledge that desire within your heart, pray for it, meditate for guidance about it, then there will be a boldness, a confidence to do what you want to do with your life. And by that, the challenges and negative voices of the opposition that will face are no match for the strong desire that God puts in your heart. We must trust Him, for He is the living God who sees and hears the enemy's stance. We must believe and declare that we will walk in boldness and have the confidence we needed. To be bold and boast our confidence, we must surrender ourselves to Him. We must disregard the negative thoughts we don't need. We must learn heaviness of the confidence in all areas of our life. This is Shundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.